Hi there. I'm here with a quick intro into the new Lapsed Patient Media Kit. It's a free resource you can use to reconnect with allergy drop patients who've fallen off track. Even the most committed patients can lose momentum. Life gets busy, symptoms improve, and treatment can pause. That's why we created this media kit. It's got tools to make outreach easier and more encouraging without starting from scratch. Inside, you'll find a campaign plan, uh, ready to use email and letter and social media posts with supportive, reassuring language. This tool is about momentum, making it easy to bring patients back and keep them going. Plus, we're here to help. If you'd like help tailoring the content or planning your campaign, just reach out. And you can find the full kit at allergychoices.com, Lapsed Patient Media Kit. And we hope you'll use it to support your patients and grow your program. Thanks for watching.